to 4115 Indian River Drive in Vero Beach, Florida. This sophisticated 3.5 residence with 104 feet of waterfront on the Indian River Lagoon with a private dock, lift, and pool is in coveted Central Beach on the Barrier Island. Thoughtfully renovated by Mark Redden in 2015, this elegant home includes a gourmet chef's kitchen with Subzero and Wolf appliances, granite counters, cathedral tongue and groove ceilings, engineered wood floors, a gas fireplace with a reclaimed mantel, luxe designer finishes, and French doors spanning 180 degrees for stunning riverfront views and western sunsets. The split floor plan has a separate wing comprised of 2 bedrooms and a den for guest privacy, an in-law suite, or kids' lounge. The primary suite includes sweeping river views, a walk-in shower with onyx accents, a dressing vanity, and a freestanding soaking tub. With impact glass, a metal roof, a 2022 AC and block construction, this home is set up with modern conveniences for peace of mind waterfront living. There are multiple paved entertaining spaces with charming courtyards, and a western screen lanai for indoor-outdoor living or dining. Maturely landscaped, this 0.4-acre parcel provides an old Florida sanctuary with charming oak canopies, palm trees, and lush hedges for privacy. And all of this is nestled along the Indian River, the most biologically diverse estuary in North America, with 4,300 species of plants and animals. Enjoy wildlife like manatees, dolphins, bald eagles, and sandhill cranes in your backyard, and venture out to the Spoil Islands just west of this property for picnics, camping, fishing, or a day at the sandbar. Central Beach is beloved for its live oak canopies, ideal location, cultural offerings, and laid-back vibe with no HOA. You can walk, bike, or golf cart to Ocean Drive lined with boutique shops and restaurants, or to our world-class art museum and Riverside Theater, which is just 3 minutes away. Vero Beach is a quaint, sophisticated, and unpretentious town that has been recognized as one of the best small towns in America. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If this property piqued your interest, I'd love to connect.